Resolving error code 5011 involves addressing a problem with a scanner in a Canon. This error can be caused by various issues, including poor wireless connections, outdated printer drivers, paper jams, or print queue problems. To fix the error, start by ensuring the printer is online and the Ethernet cables are securely connected. Verify that the printer is connected to the same network as the computer. Then reboot the device to clear the error code. Updating the printer drivers, either by downloading the latest version from the manufacturer's website or reinstalling the current drivers, can also resolve the issue. Additionally, check for paper jams, and if one is found, pause the printer, remove the jammed paper, and refill the paper tray with an adequate amount of paper before resuming printing. It is also essential to ensure the print queue is clear before giving a new command, avoiding any backlog of printing commands. By following these steps, the error code 5011 can be resolved, and the printer can function properly again.